If you are learning AI in 2026, there's one mistake that thousands of developers are making. They are building AI agents. And while the industry is already moving towards agentic AI, some companies are no longer looking for chatbots that can simply answer questions. And they want AI systems that can help, that can plan, that can reason, that can make decisions, use tools, remember context, recover from failures, and complete the entire workflow on their own. And that's what exactly where LangGraph comes in. In this playlist, we are not just going to learn the theory, but we are also going to build real world agentic AI systems from scratch. By the end of this series, you will be able to understand how modern AI products are actually built. So, now let's get started. So, welcome to Agent Stacks. On this channel, we don't memorize concept, but we build them from RAG, AI agents, LangGraph, vector database to complete AI engineering projects. Everything is explained with practical examples. And one more thing, if this channel reaches 100 subscribers, I will share my complete AI engineering notes completely for free. So if you are serious about learning AI engineering, make sure to subscribe, and now let's begin. So now question comes, why agentic AI using LangGraph? So before we start writing any code, let's answer one important question. Why are we even learning agentic AI? The answer is simple. Modern AI applications are no longer just one prompt and one response. Imagine you are building an AI travel assistant that doesn't just answer a question, it researches flights, it compares hotels, checks weather, calculates the budget, books the tickets, and if one API fails, it automatically retries or chooses another option. That's not a simple chatbot anymore. That's called a workflow. So managing these complex workflows using plain LangChain quickly becomes difficult. And that's why LangGraph was introduced. It allows us to build AI systems with state memory, branching, loops, conditional logic, and multi-step reasoning. So, in very simple words, if LangChain helps you build AI applications, LangGraph helps you to build intelligent AI workflow. And that's what exactly what we are going to learn throughout this playlist. So before starting this playlist, there are some few concepts that we should already know. So you don't have to be an expert, but having a basic understanding of this topic will make your learning much easier. You should know Python basics, you should know about APIs, what are JSON, what is prompt engineering, what are basic LLM concept, and these all things I have already covered in my playlist in my channel. You can go and check out Python basics. I will be explaining while I am teaching, while I am building projects. So this is where exactly you are perfectly prepared for this playlist. And if not, don't worry, I will be explaining every concept as we move forward. Now comes the most important thing, which is the scope of the playlist. So this isn't going to be a playlist where we only learn theory, but we are starting to build some fundamentals. Then we will understand what exactly LangGraph is, how graph work, about nodes, edges, states, conditional routing, human in the loop, memory, persistence, tool calling, multi-agent systems, everything step by step. But theory alone is not enough. We will also build some complete projects because that's how real learning works. And by the end of the playlist, you will be able to design, build, understand modern agentic AI systems that resemble what companies are building today. So think of this playlist as a roadmap from beginner to building a production style agentic AI applications. Now let's understand what is agentic RAG. So this will be something a part of this playlist which may not be widely available today for many of you guys, but I would be focusing on this a lot because this is one of the most important thing when you are dealing with agentic AI, and this will be one of the biggest projects that I'm building with the help of agentic RAG. So you will be probably already learned traditional RAG in the playlist where I've explained about some concepts, which is retriever, loaders, and all. But if a user asks questions, relevant documents are retrieved, the LLM generates an answer, simple, but agentic RAG takes this much faster. So instead of blindly retrieving documents, the AI first decides what information it needs. If the retrieved information isn't enough, it searches again. If multiple sources are required, then it combines again them, and if the answer isn't reliable, it validates it through responding. And in other words, the AI doesn't just retrieve information, it reasons about the retrieval process itself. And that's exactly why Agentic RAG is becoming the next generation of enterprise AI systems. So we'll build all this together in this playlist, and we'll be transitioning from coding to building applications. And by the end of the video, you will be having a great understanding of everything regarding agentic AI. You will be understanding how to build systems, how to build workflows, and this playlist will be very much important for you if you are starting off with agentic AI. So I am very much excited with this playlist, and I really want that you guys subscribe the channel, show some support, help the channel grow, and definitely I would be supporting you guys as well. Thank you so much for watching.